Looks like a team of truly fantastic. Dominating this match with such power and finesse. Look at this, Zach Fantastic. Irish whip. Takes him right off the shoes. Freak Stephen Moody doing a fantastic job of keeping this match under control. Here's Divine. Talking, I think that might be Andy Jones. Please forgive me if I get the name. Oh, nice chop against the back chest. And a chop by T Phoenix. Tag in. By T Phoenix. And sidewalk. These guys over here on the inside. I have no idea who these guys are. They've been out here all afternoon. All afternoon these guys out here making a nuisance of themselves. Tagging to Zach Fantastic in the ring. Look at this, it looks like we got the prison. Look out. Team dropping deep. Going for the cover. Brink in the corner, shouting. Nice reverse chin off. Look at this. Zach Fantastic. And it looks like Mr. Havoc has the hair. And a right to the face. Stephen Moser better get in there. Rubberman. Hey, sneaking by Jason Divine. Look at this. Divine now occupying the left. Without a double team. Look at this, 2 men in the corner. What is this? What is this? A choke in the corner. Do something! Are you really going to have to show him? Asking for silence. Better sound good, because he's got to get your damn voice. Oh! Surrounded by these gentlemen, who they are. Wreaking havoc, it looks like. Randy Guerrero seems to be the ringleader of this organization. He says he's out here. I think he's out there to cause more trouble. There you go, a tag made into T Phoenix. Newcomers to APW. And attempting a Russian leg sweep. Not this time. Oh, wait a minute, what's going on? Uh-oh, looks like it's going to be a double. Oh, a triple! What is this? 5 men! Wow, look at that! Mr. Moses doesn't know what to make of this! Oh man, this is unbelievable! This is unbelievable! Look out! Oh! Nice sidewalk flip! What's going on? What's this? Uh-oh! Next week. Look out, big guy. Back hand, let's go in the middle room. Big stop. Stop short. Look out. What is this? Truth Teach and that fantastic rolling fantastic.